So I have knee, hip, and neck pain. Would you be able to point me in the direction of what that means metaphysically?
Okay, so knee, hip, and neck, all joint?
I mean, kind of, but also separate. Like, so knee and hip are from running, I think, from running too hard, and then neck is just I've had it since I was a teenager because I'm like 6 foot tall, and I just guessed, height, long neck.
Okay, so knee, I'll look them up in my book really quick.
Thanks.
Never any type of diagnosis, nothing, no fibromyalgia, anything like that.
No.
So knee is typically, I think, around direction.
Cool.
So with knee, let's see here. Knee, it says, you have found yourself in an uncomfortable situation. You don't have an actionable plan to move forward on a project or in your personal life. Your perception of the future is mixed up with your own inner fear and dread of being ridiculed, judged, or rejected. You fear being judged by family members if you follow your dreams. You may feel disempowered by life due to a past failure. And what's interesting about that, so does that sound pretty accurate for you?
Absolutely.
And you
Absolutely.
see how the fear of being judged by a family member relates to you not wanting to speak up to your boyfriend.
Totally.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, and for anybody wondering, this is Metaphysical Anatomy by Breau, which I've been using for years and years. The best book on medical conditions and to emotional root causes that I've found. So you said hip.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hip typically relates to support,
Mm.
which would relate to what we just talked about too, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm off the page now, but if I go to hip, so it says, with hip, you walk with anger and frustration. You may be suppressing childhood trauma where you had to watch your every action or step. You fear making decisions as you don't know what the consequences will be or how influential people will respond.
Yeah.
You see how 100%. That ties into the boyfriend thing again?
Yeah.
And then I would say with the neck is typically stress, pressure, not good enough. Oftentimes it relates to feeling the fear of being judged by other people, which again ties into the same thing. So I would say the vibrational root cause relates to those things.
Okay, that's excellent. Thank you so much for that. Awesome. I've got that book on my birthday list, my birthday present list for this year. So I'm definitely buying that or getting that.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And those things all like that was amazing actually because those are things that I've been doing a lot of freedom formula and belief tree processes on this past couple of months. So I feel like I'm chipping away at them slow by slow, and I am making progress with them. Like in terms of like the hip and the neck and the knee aren't as bad as they were say like 3 months ago. I was just wondering if there was anything else that might be there that.
I would say belief tree process for those specific ones. Belief tree process. And then other indicators is you can go back to like when your knee first started bothering you. And if there was a specific circumstance, something going on, causing a lot of, emotional charge, then you want to clear out and work through those emotions and whatever that circumstance brought up.
Totally. I was literally pounding the pavement for like a good year, just trying to like run away from, just like run so hard, not wearing the right shoes, just, like all of the stuff. So yeah, that's awesome.
Totally.
Amazing. Thanks.